That's all I had for you today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So, I think that was pretty good. Hey, Kevin, you want some snacks? All right, Kevin, you ready? Okay, now make sure to punch straight on through. Well, how about that? Yeah! Good job! All right, now I guess now it's my turn. It looks pretty easy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You ready? This one's coming straight on through. Straight on through. Come on. Go! No! So these are the video ideas you were telling me about. Okay. Well, I see cats. I see large cats. Small cats. Ah, very descriptive. Yes. Oh, and I see angry cats. Okay. Happy cats. Oh, and the Galaxy S9 Plus. Would you look at that? Okay, we're going to go with that one. Kevin, you let go. Let go of that last chip. Kevin, what did I tell you about slapping other... Ah! I got it. Hey, Kevin, I got a really cool video I want to show you. It's on my phone, so just let me pull it up real quick. All right, it's this... Kevin? Kevin? Well, I mean, it was a really cool video and you missed out on it, so it's your loss.
The other one. Good boy. Hey guys, so I got a lot of questions about how I train my cats for my videos. And actually the secret is I only taught them a...
Hey Kevin, I'm watching your favorite cat video. I bet you'd really enjoy it.
Pod trick, and the rest are just something I made them get used to, so I didn't really train them. But I will explain...